The Lost Kitten. Emma was walking home from school one rainy afternoon. Suddenly, she heard a small meow coming from behind a bush. She looked closely and saw a tiny, wet kitten. It was white with gray spots. "Are you lost?" Emma asked softly. Emma picked it up carefully. It was cold and hungry. She took the kitten home and gave it warm milk and soft towel. Next day, a boy saw the poster and called Emma. "That's my kitten. Thank you so much." "You are very kind," Jack said. Emma smiled. "I just did what anyone should do." From that day, Emma and Jack become good friends. Now it is question time. Where was Emma walking one rainy afternoon? That's right, she was walking home from school. Very good. Next one is, what did Emma find behind the bush? Good job! It was a lost kitten. Very good.